Today we're going to be talking about our egg drop challenge. We're so excited to get started with you. We have to learn some things first. What is STEM? Have you ever heard of it? STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math, and covers a wide array of careers and courses of study. Today we're focusing on engineering. What is engineering? What do you think about when you think of engineering? Engineering means using science and mathematics to solve problems to improve the world around us. The engineering design process is something engineers use every day and involves making prototypes and testing them to see what can be improved. Mechanical engineers are a special type of engineer that build machines, while aerospace engineers focus on things that travel through air and water, such as planes, boats, and rockets. Both of these types of engineers solve everyday problems. Our goal today is to drop an egg from high up in the air and keep it from breaking. How do you think we're going to do that? Brainstorm some ideas. But before we get started, we're going to talk about a few more topics that are super important to being successful today. Let's think about things that fly. What are some things you can think of? Some ideas I have are airplanes with passengers, skydivers with parachutes, kites, hot air balloons, and birds. Did you think of anything different? Gravity is a force that pulls objects towards the earth. Let's think about what happens when you drop something. Why do you think it falls down? It's because of the force of gravity. Now let's think about air. Air is matter, which means it's stuff. When the wind blows, you feel it pushing on you. Air isn't nothing, it's something, which means it has to get out of the way when you're dropping something through the air. It's kind of like when water pushes you. This is what's called drag. Drag is a force of air pushing back on you as you try to move through it. Think about a parachuter when they're traveling through the air. We're going to use the force of drag to slow down our eggs on their descent. A parachuter is going to be traveling faster before they open their parachute and will use their parachute to slow down as they get close to the earth. A way to test drag is by doing a little experiment. Crumple up one piece of paper and leave one piece of paper flat. Drop them both at the same time. Which reaches the ground faster? What happens? The next thing we're going to talk about is cushion. Cushion is a great way to protect our egg when it's falling through the air. What do you think would happen if we dropped an egg on a pavement? What about a soft pillow? The pillow is going to slow down the egg so that all the impact doesn't happen at once, thus protecting the egg from getting cracked. What are some different ways you think we can cushion our egg? The cushion is going to make the force of the impact smaller.